In this video we will see how to create avatar in Snapchat. Just open Snapchat. Here you can see find this option. Just click on method how to create first time avatar in Snapchat. Just click on create my avatar. Here you can see select your gender and select your face picture. Just click on skip button. Here you can see find many option. Here you can see many already template on create my Bitmoji. Just select one. You can easily edit your hair color, noise color, beard, eyes color. Just I select this. Click on save button. Click on yes. This is my avatar. If you change the address, I change this address. Here you can see find many option. I select this. Just click on save button. Here you can see easily create your avatar in Snapchat. I create this. Just open. This is your final avatar in Snapchat. If you want to change your avatar in Snapchat, just click on avatar. Scroll down this page. Here you can see edit avatar. You can easily edit your Snapchat Bitmoji. If you like this video, share our video with friend.